Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into something fun, easy, and potentially profitable: ClipClaps. You've probably heard of it, but if not, don't worry. We're going to cover everything you need to know in this video. So let's get started. What is ClipClaps? All right, so first things first, what exactly is ClipClaps? Well, ClipClaps is a mobile app that lets you earn rewards for watching short video clips, playing games, and even sharing content. Think of it as a fun way to pass the time while earning rewards, like gift cards, PayPal Cash, and more. How does ClipClaps work? Using ClipClaps is super easy. Once you download the app, you just need to sign up, and you're good to go. Here's how it works. Watch videos. You can watch a variety of short videos, ranging from funny clips to viral challenges. Play games. There are mini games in the app that you can play to earn extra points. Clap and earn. As you interact with the app, you can clap for videos you like, and that gives you points. The more you engage, the more you earn. Earning rewards. Now let's talk about how you actually make money with ClipClaps. The points you earn by watching videos and playing games can be redeemed for real rewards. You can convert your points into PayPal Cash, gift cards, or even Amazon vouchers. The more consistent you are, the more you can earn. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Okay, here's the thing. Like with any app, consistency is key. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings on ClipClaps. Watch daily. Make sure to open the app every day. The more active you are, the more you can earn. Check for bonuses. ClipClaps often has special bonuses or events where you can earn extra points, so keep an eye out for those. Invite friends. You can earn a referral bonus by inviting your friends to join the app. It's a win-win for everyone. Play games. Don't just rely on watching videos. The games inside the app can be another great way to rack up points. Is ClipClaps legit? Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering, is ClipClaps really worth it? Well, it's important to understand that while it's a legitimate app, don't expect to make a fortune. It's more of a fun way to earn some extra cash on the side. There are many people who've redeemed rewards successfully, but it's definitely not a get-rich-quick app. Pros and cons. Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide if it's right for you. Pros: free to use, simple and fun. Multiple ways to earn, watching videos, playing games, etc. Rewards can be redeemed via PayPal, gift cards, etc. Cons: you won't make huge amounts of money. Some users report the app can be slow at times. The earning potential depends on your level of engagement. Final thoughts. So, is ClipClaps worth it? If you're looking for a fun, casual way to earn rewards in your spare time, then absolutely. Just remember, it's not going to replace a full-time job or make you rich, but it's a great way to pass the time and get a little something in return. If you're interested in trying it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you've used ClipClaps and what your experience has been. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Until next time, happy earning, and I'll see you in the next one.